UI Bhujangasana Cobra Pose. J. Bhujangasana is a back-bending pose in Sanskrit. The word Bhujangasana comes a combination of two words. Bhujanga, which translates to cobra, and asana, meaning posture. Even visually it reflects the posture of a cobra that has its hood raised, and hence it is also known as Cobra Pose. Cobra Pose can help you fight back-related issues. Cobra Pose, step-by-step instructions. Lie down flat on the floor on your stomach, stretch your legs back with your toes out on the floor. Spread your palms on the floor under your shoulders and bring the elbows close to the sides of your body. Press the tops of the feet and thighs firmly into the floor. As you inhale, press your palms into the floor and begin to straighten the arms to lift the chest off the floor. Lift up only as much as till your navel, let your pelvis maintain a connection to the floor. Gently squeeze and firm your buttocks even, as you keep pushing your navel center downwards. Be strong with your shoulder blades as you engage them to open up your chest forward. Make sure that you are distributing the back bend evenly throughout the entire spine. Hold the pose anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds, breathing easily. Release back to the floor with an exhalation. Contraindications and cautions: please avoid this pose in case of back injury, carpal tunnel syndrome, headache, pregnancy. Benefits: strengthens the spine, stretches chest and lungs, shoulders, and abdomen, tones the buttocks, stimulates abdominal organs, helps relieve stress and fatigue, opens the heart and lungs, soothes sciatica, therapeutic for asthma. The male and female reproductive system improves. Irregular menstrual cycle problems are rectified too. With the increasing blood circulation, your face gets a radiant look. Bhujangasana is very useful to keep your back healthy. Practice this asana individually, or through the Surya Namaskar, to make your spinal region strong and very agile. This posture can tone your body and the spinal nerves. Bhujangasana improves your digestion, liver and kidney functions as well.